शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल दिल में आया है.
इसीलिए मम्मी ने मेरी तुम्हें चाय पे बुलाया है.
Hello, and welcome to another video from the Cass family. And in this video, we're going to pour out some love. And that love that I'm talking about is,
Chai.
yes, you heard that right. It is chai. You know, being Pakistani and in Pakistan, chai has become a remedy to many, many things. I'm tired, bring me a cup of chai. Oh, I have a headache, bring me a cup of chai. I got a promotion, let's celebrate with chai. Oh, I'm going for a proposal, let's have it over chai.
Talking about the proposal, you know what, guys? He proposed to me over a cup of chai.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yes. Now thinking about it, I was actually in Karachi, and it was over a cup of chai. And where did we go? We went to Gloria
Jeans.
Yes, of course. Such a memorable night that was.
Are you sure?
Well, of course, it was quite memorable because here we are, 3 years after, and we also have Xavier now. So this video is going to be about how I make chai. See, I've been living in Canada for almost 30 years now. And of course, it's hard to find that authentic Pakistani chai taste. So I came up with my own recipe that has come close to the chai tasting, how it tastes in Pakistan. And 99% of the Pakistanis that have tasted my chai,
Including me.
including her, they say they love my chai. So I'm going to share with you my recipe, and let's get started.
Hello, excuse me, enough of your self-praise. I, being a chai lover, I'm also known as an extremely good chai maker.
Yes, and even better now after she learned from me.
Ha ha.
I'll show you the utensils and the ingredients that are used for chai. So here are first and foremost the 2 mugs that I'm going to be using, brought to you by the beautiful Bushra. Then what I actually did right here is measure the amount of milk that I'm going to use. I used a little measuring jar over here. And then I used this pot to put the milk in there. So I'm actually going to pour the milk in there right now. Because we're going to be boiling the milk. I'm going to use these cardamoms for added flavor. Let's first boil the milk. We have 2 cups water in this kettle, which we're going to put to boil. And that is on. Okay, now that you see that the milk is coming to a boiling point, we're going to turn the stove off. And here we have the 2 tea mugs, and we're going to put the tea bag and the sugar in here. So we got 3 jars here. Can you guess which one has the tea bags? Yes, it's in this one right here. So I'm going to get 2 tea bags out. One goes in here, the other goes in here. And Bushra, can you help me with the sugar, please?
Sure.
So
we take brown sugar in our tea. It's up to you. If you want to take white sugar, you can. But brown sugar actually tastes really nice. So,
yeah. I have 8 cardamoms here, so we're going to put 4 in each mug. Thank you, Bushra. So now we have tea bags, sugar, and cardamoms in the mug. And we await for the water to boil. And the water is now been boiled. Let's pour that water into the mug. That's it. And a little bit in here, that's it. So now I'm gonna let the tea bag, the cardamoms, and the sugar steep in the water. And I'm gonna take this teaspoon and I'm just gonna stir it, which helps build more flavor. And now that the milk is ready, I'm going to pour the milk. Keep in mind the boiled milk. So the milk is in the tea now. And now I'm just gonna there's something that I always do just to give it more flavor and make it a little stronger. And what I do is I always take the tea bag and I squeeze it a little bit. Oh, where did it go? I squeeze it a little bit and then I take it out. So finally, the last thing left to do is taste the chai and see how I did. Pushkar is going to be the judge.
It's actually very, very nice. So delicious, so creamy. Exactly like the chai I want and I like.
You know, this chai has probably been one of my best ones that I made, and I'm not kidding. And I know it's because I made it with you, with each and every one of you. So thank you so much. It is because of all the love. And you know, with love, anything becomes better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Do let us know if you try our recipe, and if you like it, keep sharing.
Thank you for watching this video from the Kaz family. I'm Kazim.
And I'm Bushra.
And this is Xavier. Xavier, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you, say bye.
Bye.
Yay.